Hello friends, welcome to Code Coding. In this video, we are going to learn more about variables. So in the previous video, we have already seen how to declare a variables, how to assign values to variables of multiple data types, right? So here you could see in the code, we have declared three variables. So the first we need to provide a type. So type is int, then the name of variable, it can be anything as per your choice and requirement, right? And then the assignment operator and then the value to it. So first variable is age of type int. Second variable is of type string having name, and the third variable is of type double having name as height. And again we have updated the height here to 5.9, and finally we have printed this message as name. Then we need to say is age, years old, and height is as per the height variable value. So we got this message: John is 20 years old and height is 5.9. So in this video what we are going to do, let me first clear out this code. Okay, what I need to do, I need to declare some variables of same type. So let's say I have a variable called num1, and then I have the value as 10. So this is my first variable. Now I will declare one more variable num2 having value 20. Then I will have a num3 having value 30. So these are my three variables. And let me print out those. See out. I will print here num1, and then I will end earlier to move on to the next line. End it with a semicolon. Copy this statement. And let's say we have here num2, and then we have here num3. Now if I run this code, what will be the output? It will print 10, 20 and 30, right? Because these are my three variables and they have the values as 10, 20 and 30. So we got this message here, 10, 20, 30. So if you have a requirement where you have the same data type values, okay, so we can do that on a single line. Instead of using this three lines, you can do it on a single line. So to declare more than one variable of the same type, so as the type is same here int, we can make use of a comma separated list. So how to do this? So what you need to do, once you declared your first variable, then you need to provide a comma and then the name of second variable directly, because you already declared here a type. Okay, so you can directly say here num2 is equal to 20. Then again, instead of semicolon, again you can make use of comma to declare your third variable num3 30. Now all three are declared on a single line here. So what will happen now? You don't need to provide this particular line of code. So all your code has been shifted to a single line. And if I run this code again, we will get the same output 10, 20, 30. Let me show you that. See, we got the message as 10, 20, 30. So in this way you can do it. Another thing you can do, you can also assign the same value to multiple variables. Okay, so we will see that how we can do this. So this part is clear, how we can declare multiple variables of same type on a single line using a comma separated list. So you need to separate it with comma and end the line with a semicolon. Now again, let's declare three more variables. So I will remove this part here. Let's have three variables num1, num2 and num3. Now I am not assigning the values to them. Okay, I have just declared the variables. Now what I need to do, I need to assign the values here. So I will assign here num1, let's say 21, num2, again I will assign the same value 21, and for num3 I will assign the same value 21. So now what will happen, all these variables are declared here and the value assignment is done on these three lines. And if I try to print it, it will print the message as 21 three times because that is the value there, right? See, we got the message. But as the value is same, we can do it on a single line also. So how we can do this on a single line? Here what you need to do, when you have declared the first variable num1 and you know that all three variables will be having the same value, you can directly say num1 is equal to num2, num2 is equal to num3, and this is equal to 21. All three will have the same value and it end it with a semicolon. And if I run this code, we will get the message as 21. See, we are getting it. So these were the two different ways. If you need to declare all three variables of same type on a single line, you can do it with a semicolon. Also, you can assign them the values if the values are different. If the values are same, then you can directly assign them also on a single line by using this particular syntax.